Right then, this is another 125D video, but we were going to do it as part of a full video, but now we've decided, because it's sort of dragging on a little bit and it's totally separate and we get asked about it a lot, we're not going to put it in the middle of another video, and I've not introduced it. So what you're going to see got filmed a bit back, and then we'll pick up when it's finished, basically. So we've got the diff on the bench, got a couple of tools. I have no idea how this comes apart, so we'll just start digging away and hopefully we get it off. First job, drain it. So, managed to get it all apart. Not that big a deal, to be fair. Just wanted to, should have used that rather than a pry bar, just to pry it seals off, just get it in, yank, and away you go. Do both seals first, that makes it easier. The circlip, which is quite a big one, were a bit stuck. That weren't too bad. Bearing fell to bits when it came in as well, so we'll get some new bearings. So I think we're only going to need a pair of seals, pair of bearings, and then just rub some sealant on here, and away you go. Nice thick back casing as well. Got a decent sort of baffle there to stop it flinging all over the place. I know it's big torque and all. American truck forums and stuff about, because they're just like a tin plate and it just lets oil go everywhere. So pretty nice setup. So yeah, other than it being heavy, pretty straightforward. We're just looking now. This is sort of a laser welded, whatever, ring gear onto the differential. So we've got to machine this away, drill it and tap it, which is going to be fun, to take this bolt. I don't know if you can see from the angle Danny's at, but from where I am here, you can just see that this, obviously it's not 100% accurate, but this is taller than the flange it's mating to. So we're going to have to skim some off the back and be critical of the measurement there and get the inner diameter tight to that. So what's tight, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll see how we get on. It shouldn't be a big job, but it's going to take a little bit of thinking about. Not as easy as just grind that off, whack it on, drill it and tap it. It's going to be a little bit of thinking. So we'll send it over to the machine shop and we'll hopefully get that sorted in the next couple of days. So Paul's managed to get this all thrown together. We did put it together once and we weren't happy with the preload, so we took a little bit more off it and got it right. So now it's absolutely fine, all stuck together, ready for the proper gear oil to go in it. This is what Wavetrac recommend when you're using their diffs. So we've got all that. So this, the next job is obviously to throw it in the car. It's probably not 100% sure because we're doing the bushes and stuff like that at the same time. It's probably like a 3-hour job to install it, something like that. A couple of hours to get it out maybe. You can definitely do it quicker if you want to, but anyway. So in the description there'll be a link to the fitting service. It's not a drive-in, drive-out job for obvious reasons, unless like we've done with this, you either provide us with a diff or we've got, which we're going to have ours on the shelf, we have one on the shelf that we can fit the Wavetrac in and get it ready, pay for it up front, we'll get it all ready for you, you can just drive in, slot in, away you go. Otherwise, you have to wait for it doing, which we have got a beamer in for that at the minute. The turnaround time depends how busy machine shop is. So it's ready to go in. That'll be on a separate video, which probably goes out after this, maybe goes out before it, I don't know. There'll be links to them all anyway, and look at the playlist and you'll see. So yeah, what a pain these are to do. It'd be nice if you just unbolted and bolted a new one on, but it is what it is.